Good morning, friends. Myself, Pawan Nalguda. I am Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department, D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Kolhapur. I am here to present the presentation on Modern Methods of Survey, Part 2, which is Geographic Information System. Now, before going to the in detail with the presentation, let us understand what are the contents of the presentation. First is the introduction, second is the history, third is key components, and lastly, the applications of GIS. GIS is made from three words, namely geographic, second one is information, third one is system. Geographic basically does not mean it is geography, but geographic means it is a location with specific data. Any object on the Earth can be defined with geographic coordinates, which is known as latitude and longitude. Entire Earth is having imaginary grid of latitude, longitude, and hence each object on the surface of the Earth can be assigned these coordinates. The development of GIS has relied on innovations made in many different disciplines like geography, cartography, photogrammetry, remote sensing, artificial intelligence, demography, and many other branches of social science and engineering. GIS consists of a set of largely independent layers, as you can see in the slide, and spatial elements, each representing some component of environment and some set of environmental concerns. These layers may include landforms, soil types, vegetation cover, geomorphic features, groundwater, and etc. You can see on in the image, first layer is of street data, second is building data, third is vegetation data. All these three included into this fourth layer, which is integrated data. GIS helps to explore relationships between different layers of information about the feature that are distributed unevenly over the space. GIS can be made up of variety of softwares and hardware tools. The important factor is level of integration of these tools, which provide a smooth operating and fully function geographic data processing environment. The GIS provides facilities for data capture, data management, data manipulation and analysis, and presentation of result in both graphic and report form. Let us go towards the next part, which is